Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to leave a review on Indeed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This ensures you have access to all the features, including the ability to write company reviews that can help other job seekers make informed decisions about potential employers. After logging in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar of the page. You'll see several options there, and you need to click on Company Reviews. This section is dedicated to all the company ratings and feedback from current and former employees, making it a valuable resource for anyone researching a workplace. Now you'll want to find the specific company you'd like to review. You can use the search function to locate the company by typing its name into the search bar. Once you've found the right company, click on it to open their profile page. This page displays existing reviews, ratings, and general information about the company. On the company's profile page, look at the top section where you'll find a button that says Write a Review. Click on this button to begin the review process. This is your opportunity to share your honest experience working at the company, which can be incredibly helpful for other job seekers considering opportunities there. Indeed will now prompt you to answer several questions about your experience. Start by giving an overall rating for the company, usually on a scale of 1 to 5 stars. You'll also be asked to rate different aspects of the workplace, such as work-life balance, compensation and benefits, job security, management, and culture. Take your time to provide accurate ratings that reflect your genuine experience at the company. Once you've completed the initial ratings, click Continue to move forward. At this stage, you'll be asked to answer additional questions and fill in more detailed information about your employment. This might include your job title, how long you worked there, and specific pros and cons about the company. These details add credibility to your review and help readers understand your perspective better. After you've filled in all the required information and answered the questions thoroughly, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a button that says Submit Review. Click on it to finalize and publish your review. Your feedback will then be processed by Indeed and made available to other users once it's approved. And that's it. You've successfully left a review on Indeed that can help other job seekers make better career decisions. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.